I love a good Caesar salad dressing, and this one is super simple to make in just 1 minute with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a homemade, creamy Caesar salad dressing. So to start your Caesar salad dressing, you're going to need mayonnaise, some lemon zest, lemon juice, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of anchovy paste, Worcestershire sauce, garlic cloves, salt, and pepper. Couldn't be more simple than that. And then you're going to put everything into a food processor or a blender, and then you have dressing. So we're just going to add everything to my food processor. So we're going to add the mayonnaise to our food processor. If you have homemade mayonnaise, that's even better. This would just make it taste even more amazing. So now we're gonna add our lemon zest and the garlic cloves. And this is not a traditional Caesar salad dressing. Caesar salad dressing is usually made with some raw eggs and cheese and anchovies and like whisked together in a bowl. This is just a quick homemade Caesar salad dressing. Lemon juice that comes together like quickly. If you don't want bottled stuff, this is fantastic because there's no artificial ingredients in here at all. No stabilizers to make it sit on the shelf for 72 years. Dijon mustard. Caesar salad dressing was created in Tijuana, Mexico, by an Italian chef. Who knew? Anchovy paste. Now I know most of you are probably like, ew, anchovy paste, but just do it. I don't like anchovies at all, but this just makes the dressing taste incredible. And then the Worcestershire sauce and the salt and pepper. And if you want to hold back on the salt and pepper till the end and just season it to taste, you can do that too. Sometimes the anchovies are super salty and they may be overpowering to somebody that's like salt sensitive. So that's just my tip. You might want to season that at the end. So we're just going to puree this until it starts to become smooth, and then we'll stream in the olive oil and it'll all come together like a salad dressing should. We're just gonna check it. It should be done, but we'll just check it real quick. Give it a little taste. That is amazing. Amazing. And so easy. So I'm just gonna transfer it to a little pitcher, and then we'll make a salad real quick. Now that our Caesar salad is done, I'm just going to pour some on top of my salad. Give it a little drizzle. It's so good. And I'm gonna take a bite. It is so good. You can taste that Parmesan and the lemon, and it's fresh and creamy and delicious. So amazing. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.